Before we proceed with the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Frendtechievlog, and also, the world's amazing trivia, for more entertaining and knowledgeable content. How to determine whether the drain motor is defective, or in good condition. The drain motor of an automatic washing machine is 220 volts AC. We will cut the AC line cord of the drain motor coming from the mainboard, to reconnect the AC cord to directly plug it into a 220 volt AC source. We first measure the resistance of the drain motor if it's in good condition, or in bad condition. We measured a resistance of 4.2 kilo ohms. It means the drain motor is good. Reconnect the AC cord with plug. And now, let's try to plug it into 220 volts AC. Before we plug it in, let's check first the AC source supply voltage. We measured a 223 volts AC. And now, let's try to plug it into 220 volts AC. The drain motor started to work to pull up the lever spring from the drain hose assembly, and disengage the drum brake. We take a look at what is inside the drain hose assembly. Then, we pulled up the water drain hose. Let's try to open and rotate the drain assembly clockwise to know if there is a clog inside the drain hose. Sometimes, this rubber valve is in need of replacement. It depends on the texture if it is worn out. I need to disassemble the mechanical to replace the rubber valve seal. There is a spring, rubber valve, and plastic rod. Forcefully open the drain's rubber valve for the water drain to flow, and also disengage the drum brake. Check if it is clogged inside the drain hose hole. The drain motor is in good condition, the rubber valve seal is okay, there is no clog inside the drain hose hole, and it is clean. The last part is the triac, where the triac is the power switch of the drain motor that enables it to work.
Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, kindly leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more videos.